hands up. Put up. Here it comes. Holy snap it balls. Holy crap. No, 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 no. Yeah. The picnic table I don't think was there.
Yeah, it was over Cedar Grill.
Oof.
The back. I went down
I don't think so, Mr. Finn.
Wait, you don't have a dish.
Come on. Hey, wait. I'll take Finn for you. Oh, out. Finn. Breath and Levi. Come on. Finn. Callie, are you peeing okay? She pooped. Holy shit! That scared the fuck out of me. It's not wise to be by the water in a thunderstorm. I mean, hey, go run. Go run. Come on. Go run. They smell something. I know. She's sniffing. I put my other hood back up. I thought, oh, it wouldn't be this bad. Finn, go get Dad. Hey, leave it. Crackheads. You guys, go run over. I'm wet. Whoa! gonna be hard to zoom in and out. And you, go run. Go run, you wet muskrat. Look at Finn go. Oh no. Ready, set, go. Come on, guys. It's colder than a witch's tail out here. Ow. Finn. Oh. Oh my goodness. Run, Kelly, run. Kelly, go get Dad. Amber's trying to text me and I can't. Calliope Grace, you need to go run. Yeah, tell her. Tell her, you need to run. You just peed there, you idiot. I am one of those imaginary fools. Go run, you muskrat. We need a bath. Well, go run. Go run or I'm going to chase you. Go play. Oh no. Chose the wrong spot. Go, Callie, go. Oh! Get your ass moving, Callie. When we left the house, it wasn't raining. Fit you, whatever your name is, Callie. Callie. Calliope, you need to run. Finn, get Callie. Get her. Finn's like, I don't care if it's raining. Callie, you need to come and play. Dude, it's getting wicked. Hey, go play. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Are you gonna get a kick to the booty? I said we're playing. We're playing in the story. Look at how gross this rotten mother is.
Where did he go?
Right there. I'm kidding.
Huh?
Right in front of you. Wait.
Oh, here's your...
Okay, it's getting nasty. I'm gonna put him in the van. I have a feeling it's gonna lighten up pretty soon. Finn. Take a whip. Yeah, good thing I made the decision to come in. I feels like it's getting nasty, so we should go back. Holy hell!